Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to the eBay Amazon Corner where I give you tips and tricks on eBay and Amazon, mainly eBay because that's where I specialize in. So, actually, this episode 10, we're going to talk about item not received case opened for item that was actually delivered or it says delivered on USPS. Um, a lot of people, especially me, when I first started, I panicked because, of course, you're going to believe the customer or you're going to think, oh my gosh, it's my fault because you sent the mail in. But actually, it's not your fault. It's if it says delivered and the address is correct and it matches the file or invoice you have, um, you're actually safe in this case. And this is a fairly easy case to actually win because you have proof that it has been delivered. If it does come down to they really can't find it and it's true that um, it is missing, you want to first just tell them that check their neighbor's house or neighbor's mailbox because I've had mails and packages come in, but it was delivered to my neighbor's address, and this is pretty common. So you just want them to do that first, and if they can't find it, what you need to do is have them contact their local USPS because you sent it in and it's in their location. So don't go scrambling and have them contact USPS because it's not your fault. You already did your part and it says delivered. So that proof of receipt will trump whatever that the buyer says. Um, and if they're trying to give you trouble and stuff, just call eBay. Don't don't panic. Just call eBay and make sure you upload the tracking number and update the customer that it has been delivered. Call eBay and eBay will check it and they do a quick research. And if they do see it delivered, then they'll close the case automatically. This is what happened to me this morning because a buyer said that they was at home and it got delivered, but come to find out that it didn't get delivered. So yeah, just contact eBay and they'll take care of it. Don't panic now, because like I said, as a new seller or even experienced sellers, you can panic, especially if it's a big item. And yeah, that's what you gotta do. Just call eBay, show the proof, and they'll close the case. All right, and that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in again. I appreciate everybody watching. Leave a comment in the description or in the comment box on what you guys want to hear and other stuff that I can talk about. Anyways, thanks again for tuning in. I appreciate it, and see you guys next time. Peace.